Tech, Akansa Puk. Muchas gracias, profesor Puk. Mano Chinilkin Tulat Tech. Muy buenas tardes a todos ustedes. In Sasilha, Himan Okot Waye, Chen Yan Kape, Winal, Human Okot Yete Umpe Akansa, Mexico. This group has just had 2 weeks of training. 2 weeks that we were training. Young kids, we have a big group. Today we decided to bring the young kids with a couple of their mothers and me parents. And so I am very proud to represent them, and I hope that you guys are liking what you are seeing now. We do want you guys to give us more support. The Maya culture is fading away. We hope not. We will do whatever we can to do. Dios botiktech, tenek inkima kimolian way. Dios les doy gracias, muchas gracias, que Dios los bendiga y me siento muy contento de estar aquí. Dios botiktech. Hello.